Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I've not seen myself looking like this in quite some time. Like, I threw some braids in my hair not too long ago, just rocked them. I've been wearing wigs and weaves and all of that, but to see my hair again, especially after my haircut, I'm like, oh, I'm back to myself. Well, kind of, because I'm still dealing with postpartum hair loss, honey. A good old chunk of my hair is gone, but that's a whole nother story. But anyway, in this video, y'all, I am so excited about what I am coming to share with y'all. Y'all know I love talking about black owned businesses, especially black woman owned businesses. And listen, I've not been trying a lot of new stuff on my hair because, again, postpartum shedding, wash day is a torturous experience, but this was so amazing to use, and I've been playing with it off camera before I talked to y'all about it. They gave me the opportunity to try, so this ain't a first impression. This is a honey, I'm not new to this, I'm true to it type of situation. Y'all, I tried an amazing company that I am so excited to share the results with y'all, and this company is called HH Cosmetics. Y'all, okay, my good boo Alexis, I saw her talking about it. She and I actually talked about it offline some months ago, and I was like, I'm interested. And so when I was given the opportunity to try this, I was like, oh, absolutely, because if my boo loved it, I'm probably gonna love it too. And when I tell you I loved it, I loved it. And I'm gonna share all my good results with y'all and how I got to this point. Y'all, my hair so moisturized, it don't make no sense. I'm trying to, you know, focus on my talking points and stuff, but when I tell you my hair feeling good, y'all. But real quick, let me take care of business. Shout out to HH Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video, because y'all know with sponsorships I get donations, gifts. Now let me tell you how I got these results looking good, looking great. All right, first things first, I have not been pre-pooing just because I just like the way I have grown and matured in my wash day experiences. I haven't really needed to pre-poo. However, because I was coming out of a protective style, I did go ahead and do a pre-poo. So in this video, I pre-pooed using the HH Cosmetics Moisturizing Thickening Gel. Now, it does say gel, so you're probably thinking, honey, what are you putting a gel in your hair for? I'm glad that you asked so I can clear misconceptions. This particular gel is not just for styling. They have it for pre-pooing, to give you moisture, to help with hair growth. You can mix it together with all your other good stuff, make you a good concoction. You can use it for curling, you can use it to mask your hair, and you can even do it for a wash and go. So I did use this for a pre-poo and also a wash and go, but we'll talk about the wash and go later. But don't we love products that's multifunctional, so we don't have to keep buying all this other stuff, you know? Shout out to them. So I did go through my hair and work out the tangles, and I did apply the moisturizing thickening gel, and I worked it in. When I tell you it had my curls busting, when I tell you busting, I mean busting. The curls looked amazing, and it helped so much in breaking up the tangles that I had from not washing my hair in over a month. So after I used the thickening gel, I did go in and add a little bit of the multi-use pure oil blend. For me, this did add additional slip, and it helped me to really work those tangles out, and it helped me to have a lot less shed hair. Listen, I'm trying to keep the little few strands I got on my head, I need them to stay there. So putting this together really did help. I did see a decrease in the amount of hair that I lost, especially coming out of a protective style. But going into the next step, after I did the pre-poo, I rinsed it out in some warm water. I would get, listen, when it comes to black soap shampoos, top 2, and she ain't number 2. I love this so much. I ain't never had a shampoo that I just fell in love with this quickly, this fast. And I ain't just saying this because it's sponsored. I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. So this is an African black soap shampoo. It's a clarifying moisturizing shampoo. And let me say real quick about all the products. This is a clean beauty brand. They are based in the Netherlands. Do not let that alarm you though, because when I got my shipping, it came in like 2 to 3 days. So you don't have to worry about it taking a real long time to get here. Clean beauty brand. They don't do phthalates. And let me read the rest because I'm trying to go off the top of my head, because listen, when I tell you I've been diving into this, but I want to make sure I get it right. So they do not use artificial fragrance or perfume, artificial coloring, minoxidil, formaldehyde, parabens, SLE. I'm gonna put it all on the screen because listen, I don't want y'all thinking that, you know, sis is remedial. I'm gonna just put it right here so you can see. When I tell you it's clean beauty, it's clean beauty. And it's not just regular clean beauty. They are based in Europe, so European clean beauty is a whole nother different scale. So they have amazing ingredients, which is why I trust this in my hair. Like seriously, they are bomb when it comes to cleanliness, and they manufacture these products themselves in the Netherlands, and it is completely certified. So back into the products, honey. honey, I had to slip that in there real quick. Y'all, these products excite me so much that I'm like rambling and all that. I usually have a little script I put together, but when I tell you I didn't need no script, these products was bombing up by themselves. I was like, oh honey, I got to tell them about it. Now, the shampoo. So I did go in and do 2 shampoos with this African black soap shampoo. It is a clarifying moisturizing shampoo. It's enriched with a blend of gingerbread, I believe, Salix alba, and mentha pepperita. Child, I probably sound like I'm speaking Spanish, but I'm telling you, it got some good stuff in it. But I did go ahead and do 2 good shampoos with it. And even though it is a clarifying shampoo, let me tell you, when they say moisturizing, they do mean that it did cleanse my hair, because I did have buildup on my scalp, because again, I've been avoiding wash day, which is why I threw in braids. But I put in the braids after I had been wearing wigs, and so yeah, my scalp was filthy. This cleansed my hair, it cleansed my scalp. It felt so good. I actually even did a scalp massage with this because it felt that good on my hair. Like seriously, this shampoo was amazing. It's like an instant staple. I'm on my 2nd bottle. This shampoo was bomb. But then after I did the shampoo, it was so moisturizing that I did not do a deep treatment per se. I went to this multi-use leave-in conditioner. So it's a multi-use different leave-in conditioner. It does have provitamin B5, aloe vera, and lavandula. As far as the uses for it, you can use it to condition, you can use it as a deep conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in, a detangler, a pre-poo, and even a daily moisturizer, just depending on what you want to do. So what I chose to do was break my hair up into different quadrants, and then I applied this to my hair. And what I did next was I kind of used it as a deep treatment and also a leave-in. And what do I mean by that? I pulled out my good old cap, say what's up Samantha, hey girl. I put my cap on my hair after I applied this leave-in, and I let it sit for 10 minutes, and I actually put my head under the dryer just to let my cuticles lift a little bit more, and I did not rinse it out. I left this in my hair. Y'all, this was so softening. It did help me with detangling, especially because with me coming out of braids, it was real interesting on the scalp or whatever, but this did help me with detangling. So I really did enjoy this multi-use leave-in. And again, we love products where we can use it for multiple things, so we can buy one product instead of 5. Amen. Now after I did my leave-in, of course I wanted to do a wash and go, but I believe in following directions, all right, because don't nobody know their product better than the ones who manufacture it. All right. And so in looking at the directions, they actually said that if you're going to use this for a wash and go, that they recommended that you apply some of the multi-use oil blend to help eliminate flaking. And so although I'm not someone who does like the moisturize and seal type of thing, I just slap on my leave-in and go to the next step, I did go ahead and apply some of the pure oil blend to every section of my hair before I applied the gel. So let's get into this gel. So it is also a multi-use thing, because again, you can pre-poo, you can add moisture, hair growth, mix it, use it for a curl look, add it for a mask, and even do the wash and go. Again, shout out to the people that, you know, shout out to HH Cosmetics for letting us have multi-use products, child, because my days of having a ridiculous stash, they're long gone, honey. I'm retired from all of that. So being able to have a whole collection and use it for whatever I want to, we love that. But anyway, back to the wash and go. Now they do say it's for all hair types, and it has a medium hold. I will say that is 100% true. So what I did was, after I got to the leave-in step and I put in the oil, I did go ahead and apply the moisturizing thickening gel, and I just did a raking method. And because it was medium hold, I said I wanted to kind of like enhance the possibility of definition, so I did go in and shingle as well, just because I wanted to get the best possible look. What I will say about this, in gliding it through my hair, y'all, this is the most slippery gel I have ever used. Like seriously, because of the consistency, it glides through your hair like a dream. And even in doing the shingling method, it felt so good on my hair. So I did go in every section, apply the oil, and then put on the gel, and then I sat under the dryer. And after I sat under the dryer, and then I did go in with a wide tooth comb and lift at the roots, y'all, these were my results. My hair feels so moisturized, it feels so soft, it feels so bouncy and healthy. Y'all, this was seriously one of the best wash and goes, best wash days, best products, period, that I have used since I had my baby. My baby's love of my life. I absolutely adore him. But honey, he jacked me up from the rooter to the tutor, from the crown to the sole of my feet. My hair has been jacked up. I'm trying to grow it out. You see the edges, the lack of them. Okay, they're gone. But with amazing products like this, as I continue to heal on the inside and I take my vitamins, I do have the bundle from HH Cosmetics. I'm going to continue to use them. Y'all will see a lot more of them on my channel because, again, my days of just throwing everything in my head, they're long gone. So, salute to you if you're still a product junkie. I am not. But the bundle was completely worth it. I'm going to continue to show them on my channel. Shouts out to HH Cosmetics. I cannot wait to do the next style because I do have some more products from them that I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all my growth journey as I include them. Usually I have a DIY oil that I use. I'm actually discontinuing my DIY so I can focus on HH Cosmetics and show y'all the actual real results, because this is honestly a brand I truly believe in. Even if I did not have the sponsor opportunity, if I just purchased everything on my own, which I will continue to do, y'all, this product line is so freaking bomb. I don't know what else to tell y'all. When they sent this to me, they told me, we want you to actually take the time to really get to know the products, use them a few times, and we really want your honest opinion. And y'all, seriously, top notch. That's all I can say. So if you are interested in getting this experience for yourself, I promise you, I recommend it to everybody. And I don't even like you being one of the ones to be like, I highly recommend. But in this case, I highly recommend every single product that I use, which again was a pure oil blend, the moisturizing thickening gel, which I use for the pre-poo. I use the African black soap shampoo as well. And then I went in with the leave-in. And of course, I circled back to the oil and the gel to do the styling. 4 products and having an amazing experience. If you want that for yourself, click the link in the description box. But go beyond just these 4 products. Get into the bundle, child. Like, listen, y'all gonna see more about that too. I just didn't want to overwhelm y'all in one video. But anyway, if y'all are interested, click the link in the description box. Use that code, save you a couple coins, and yeah, go ahead and get down into it. So shout out to HH Cosmetics. Y'all, seriously, thank you for sending this to me. Hilda, you the bomb, girl. Like, I don't know what you did, but you did that. You understand me? So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki, Dada, and I'm out this piece. Let me turn around and let y'all see it, because listen, and hold on, I don't know what the back look at. Y'all know I be getting on camera and not, y'all probably gonna see my bald spot too. Jesus. But I ain't never scared, so let me turn around. Ooh. I hope it's cute. I hope it's cute. I hope it's cute. I hope it's cute. And yeah, this wash day was bomb. Okay, y'all, I done rumbled on enough. Seriously, check out HH Cosmetics. They are amazing. All right, I'm out of here. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye.